So hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be uncarding this 1994 Nissan Primera from the Boulevard Mix 4 set of 2025 and with the overall Boulevard number 135. So let's uncard this first. Alright, so here we have it and let's check this out. So the front is well detailed and looks clean with this Bridgestone branding on the bumper, and we have this hot racing Castrol livery on the entire casting with the racing number 94. I really like the paint on this, the metal flake green, and there are details on basically both sides and on top of the casting. The back is well detailed as well with the Castrol, Nissan and Bridgestone branding. The spoiler here is actually plastic and it's red. The wheels on this casting are really cool, making the car lower to the ground. The base is metal and painted black. Yeah, so the wheels are Real Riders 6-spoke mag wheels and it rolls really well. Now let's see this from different angles. So this was the 1994 Nissan Primera from Boulevard Mix 4 set of 2025 and it looks really good. This is the final casting from that Boulevard set, and if you would like to check out all the other castings from that particular set, I will have each of their videos linked in the description so you can check them out. Let me know your thoughts about this 1994 Nissan Primera in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more diecast content. Thank you.